Hey y'all, it's Hot Rod here. I hope y'all had a wonderful Thanksgiving this year. I'm at my grandmother's house here in Arkansas. But yeah, I had some fireworks I wanted to test out and showcase. This one's called Make It Pop, which is I think it's a 6-inch shell. And then on the side of the box it has what the performances are. And then I also have some 6-inch shells that I shot in my previous video. I wanted to see what the other shells were going to do. I got a little 500-gram cake. I think it's a 9-shot 500-gram cake by Big Fireworks. And then I also have 2 fountains, I believe, the neon jelly beans in silent mode. So I'm going to go ahead and shoot those off, and we'll see how they do. Stay tuned. We got my mom out here. Say hello.
Hello.
We're gonna test these fireworks over here, right here. Let's see if I can get it. We're gonna see how they go. I got some shells I'm gonna light off here, but this will be the first round. So let's see what they gonna do. Okay, first shot is the neon jelly beans. Let's see what it does. Let's kind of get back a little bit. Ooh, that's nice. Real nice. Yeah, fountains has always kind of been my thing. Okay, next we got is the silent mode. Okay. Okay, let me see it. I like this one too. It's pretty high. What do I need to do, Ma? Yeah, I think tomorrow when I go into town, I'm probably gonna go see if I can get some kind of extinguisher or something to keep, you know.
I think Mama got one, but I don't know how.
Those are like them zipper things. Is that it? So which ones do you like out of the 2 so far?
I like the first one, the jumping beans.
Yeah.
But number
I
2
think that,
is okay.
yeah, the silent mode, it was alright. It wasn't as nice as the...
I would definitely purchase number 1.
So between the 2, you purchased number 1?
I would purchase number 1.
Okay, next we got is Overdrive. It's a little 500-gram... can't get them all. Okay, make it pop. Halo shell, 6-inch. Let's see what it does. I didn't get. Forgive me, y'all. This is one of my very first videos, so I'm learning as I go. But here's another make it pop shell. We'll see how this does. These are some nice shells, by the way. They're halo style, kind of like a ring. But we'll see what this does. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Ooh. Yeah, I guess my assistant, she decided to get on the phone. So I said, well, let me go ahead and do this. The shell I'm about to light here is the Double Dragon. It's one of my shells that I lit on the previous video. Let's see what this one does. Forgot those were double breaks. Nice. Nice. Okay. We're gonna do another one here. Gotta make sure all this fire is out. Another Double Dragon shell. Let's see what it does. Okay, this is the Double Dragon. Double Dragon. We're gonna see what this does. Here we go.
Hey you guys, it's Hot Rod Pyro, and I am giving you a review of those fireworks that I just shot. I would say that those fireworks were a decent show. Those two fountains I shot, they were pretty quiet. The effects on that were very weak. But now I'm just playing. Now I'm just kind of clowning on the camera. But anyway, those two fountains I shot, they were pretty quiet. My mom, she said she would prefer the first fountain that I shot versus the second one. I like them both. The silent noise was all right, but I also liked the effects, even though it was quiet. The fountain, or I mean, the cake that I shot, I believe, I had trouble trying to get this camera to focus in on it because, you know, it goes so high up and you know, I don't know why, but this camera is very difficult to catch the effects, but I thought the cake was all right. I probably wouldn't get that cake again, but you know, that's the joy of getting these fireworks, is that you don't know what they're gonna do until you shoot them off. So I guess that's the thrill behind it. But the artillery shells, I think it was the Make It Pop. I like the effects. You know, each color on the shell indicate what color that was gonna display in the air, and I love the effects of the ring shot that it produced. And you know, and the favorite color I would say is the purple ones, because you know, purple is my favorite color. And I would definitely purchase those again for sure. And overall, I think those little fireworks I got, I think they're worth the money. Like I said, I bought them at a sale at a warehouse where they were half off. So, you know, I thought it was a deal. But I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and leaving likes and comments on my page. Like I say, I just started this page, so hopefully it'll grow over time. But you know, these likes that I get, and comments that I get, you know, it's just reiterating that, you know, maybe I'm doing something right. So, but anyways, appreciate you guys. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I hope you guys are able to pursue your dreams that you put your mind to. No matter what people say, always focus on the prize and persevere. But you guys have a good day, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.